Hello Rainbows, welcome back. This is part 51 of the animals. I am starting a new series on this amazing amphibian, AXOLOTL. This is a little being that was born in Mexico, and you're going to learn a lot about this tiny amphibian. This is considered a keeper of the unfinished self, spirit of eternal becoming. This creature refused the final step of transformation, a being that stood at the edge of becoming and chose to remain. The axolotl is not just an amphibian, it is a paradox made in flesh. It lives in water, yet carries the blueprint of land. It matures, yet never leaves its larval form. It is wounded, yet it restores itself, as if time never touched it. It is not incomplete, it is eternally becoming. The ancient origin story is that it was the god who refused to die. In the memory of the Mexica, this creature was not discovered. It was honored. They spoke of the god Xolotl, twin of Quetzalcoatl, a god of lightning, shadows, and transformation. When the gods agreed to sacrifice themselves to set the sun in motion, Xolotl refused. He fled death. He hid. He transformed himself again and again into maize, into a maguey plant, until finally he slipped into the waters of Lake Xochimilco and became something small, soft, almost invisible, an axolotl. But the story is not one of cowardice. It is one of defiance against forced transformation. The axolotl is the god who said, "I will not become what you demand. I will become what I choose." And so tomorrow I will continue on this amazing story of the axolotl.